The tech world is currently obsessed with the latest Ultra Pro Max giants, but there's a quiet, powerful revolution happening in the palms of our hands that most people are completely overlooking. If you think the iPad Mini 5 is just an aging relic from 2019, you are about to realize why this specific piece of engineering is becoming the ultimate secret weapon for power users, digital nomads, and minimalist tech enthusiasts in 2026. There's a specific reason why the secondary market for this device is exploding right now, and it isn't just about the price point. We are diving deep into the DNA of the Mini 5 to uncover why its A12 Bionic chip is still outperforming expectations and why the physical home button is making a nostalgic, functional comeback in a world of gesture-heavy interfaces. You need to understand that the iPad Mini 5 represents the last of a legendary breed, offering a laminated display experience that many budget tablets today still can't replicate. While everyone else is chasing the folding screen hype, the savvy elite are returning to the reliability of the Mini 5 for one primary reason: distraction-free productivity. Imagine a device that fits in a jacket pocket but possesses the raw capability to edit high-definition video, manage complex spreadsheets, and serve as a dedicated gaming console without the bulk of a laptop. The ergonomics of the 7.9-inch form factor are scientifically superior for long-term reading and handheld use, reducing wrist strain in a way that the larger iPad Pros simply cannot. We are seeing a massive shift where users are ditching their Pro models for the Mini lifestyle because it forces a more intentional relationship with technology. This isn't just a tablet. It's a specialized tool that bridges the gap between the smartphone you use too much and the laptop you hate carrying. Throughout this deep dive, we are breaking down the hidden software optimizations that Apple quietly kept alive for this model, ensuring that even in the current ecosystem, the Mini 5 remains snappier than most mid-range Android tablets released this year. We will explore the Apple Pencil integration that transformed this device into the world's most portable digital notebook, and why professional illustrators still swear by the pressure sensitivity of this specific screen generation. There are leaked reports suggesting that the longevity of the Mini 5 was engineered far beyond its expected life cycle, and as we analyze the battery health and thermal management, you'll see why it's the most durable iPad ever made. We are looking at the real-world benchmarks that prove why this device is the sleeper hit of the decade. From the perspective of a high-performance user in the US and UK markets, the value proposition is unmatched. You are about to see the definitive proof of why your next tech purchase shouldn't be the most expensive one, but the smartest one. The iPad Mini 5 isn't just surviving in 2026. It is thriving as the ultimate counterculture tech statement. Stick with me as we deconstruct the hardware, the hidden OS features, and the lifestyle shifts that make the iPad Mini 5 the most relevant old tech you can buy today. This is the story of the small giant that refused to be forgotten.